This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So in the beginning, I recommend that you make sure that your system is not in the airplane or do not disturb modes, and if it is the case, make sure to deactivate either or both of those features off. The quickest and the easiest way to do that is to open the control center. Here, first look for the flight mode icon and switch it off if it is enabled, and do the same for the do not disturb mode. If that wasn't something, if that was of much help to you, you can also try switching off the phone call enhancement features such as VoLTE calls and Wi-Fi calling. So in order to disable the Wi-Fi calling, you will need to once again open the quick access panel or control center and look for the Wi-Fi calling option and make sure that it is switched off, grayed out like I have it. Then when it comes to VoLTE, launch settings, enter the connections category, go for the mobile networks and switch off the VoLTE calls for whatever SIM card you are experiencing those issues with. And the final advice that I have for you, if that did not fix your issue, that you contact your carrier or mobile operator directly, since at this point most probably they are the ones that you should seek help for, since I think, or presumably, the issue is laying on their end. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.